Plants are talking, we just never listened. Researchers discovered that stressed plants release tiny ultrasonic clicks, too high for human ears but loud in science. Using ultra-sensitive mics and AI, they decoded the signals, revealing when a plant is thirsty, damaged, or thriving. This discovery could transform agriculture. Plants can signal distress before visible damage appears. Farmers can act faster, saving crops and water. Imagine farms that adjust irrigation automatically, reducing water waste and improving yields. This is the future of precision agriculture.